The Bongo Cat Cloud Sync error is a technical issue that prevents the Bongo Cat software from properly saving or loading your data to and from the cloud. This commonly results in lost progress, settings, or user-generated content. It primarily affects users on mobile platforms like Android and iOS, as well as web-based versions of Bongo Cat. This is due to the way these versions integrate with cloud services using APIs. This issue is not a widespread global crisis, but it does cause frustration among users. The Bongo Cat Cloud Sync error typically arises from two main categories of problems: authentication issues and data transmission failures. Authentication problems occur when Bongo Cat cannot properly verify your login credentials with the cloud service. This often happens due to expired OAuth tokens, which are like digital keys that grant permission to access your cloud storage. Data transmission issues include rate limiting by cloud services, where they temporarily block too many sync attempts to prevent overload, and data corruption during upload or download caused by unstable internet connections. Finally, cloud providers like Google occasionally change their policies and API requirements, which can break existing sync functionality until the app is updated to comply with the new rules. Yes, the error message "sync failed, check some mismatch" typically indicates data corruption that occurred during the transfer of JSON files for replays or MIDI data. This usually happens due to network instability disrupting the file upload or download process. Understanding OAuth basics is key to resolving these issues. OAuth is the system that manages secure login and permissions for cloud services. Many fixes involve reauthorizing your accounts in the app settings, which refreshes the authentication tokens and restores proper access. Before attempting advanced solutions, start with these basic troubleshooting steps to resolve the Bongo Cat Cloud Sync error. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can cause sync failures. Next, close the Bongo Cat application completely and then reopen it. This can clear temporary glitches. Then, restart your device. This refreshes system resources and can resolve connectivity issues. Finally, check for any available updates to the Bongo Cat app. Developers frequently release patches that fix known sync issues. A common solution for fixing the Bongo Cat Cloud Sync error is to reauthorize the app's access to your cloud storage. This refreshes the connection and ensures proper permissions are in place. First, open the Bongo Cat app on your device. Then, locate and open the Settings menu, usually accessible from the main screen or menu bar. Within the Settings menu, search for sections related to cloud functionality. Common labels include Cloud Sync, Account, or Permissions. These are where you'll manage your cloud storage connections. Select your connected cloud storage account, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Choose to disconnect it first, then select the option to reconnect. The app will guide you through reauthorization and prompt you to grant the necessary permissions. After completing these steps, test the sync function to ensure it's working properly. This reauthorization process refreshes the connection and should resolve the cloud sync error. Manual data backup is an essential precaution when dealing with cloud sync errors in Bongo Cat. By creating your own backups, you ensure that your settings, replays, and custom content remain safe even if automated syncing fails. Why is manual backup important? Cloud sync errors can result in lost data, but having local copies means you can always recover your progress without relying on potentially unreliable online services. Start by exporting your data. In most Bongo Cat versions, go to the Settings menu and look for an Export option. This will create files containing your current settings, saved replays, and any custom beats or visualizations you've created. Once exported, store these files in multiple safe locations. Save them to your computer's hard drive, an external USB drive, or even cloud storage that's separate from Bongo Cat's sync service. This redundancy ensures you have backups even if one location fails. When you encounter a cloud sync error, use the app's import function to restore your data. Simply select the backup files you created, and the app will reload your settings, replays, and custom content, getting you back to where you were before the sync failure. Remember to perform these backups regularly, ideally on a monthly schedule, to minimize any potential data loss. This manual process gives you complete control over your Bongo Cat data security. For advanced fixes, some users have found success using a VPN to bypass regional API blocks that might be causing sync issues. To use this fix, connect to a VPN server in a different location and try syncing your data again. Additionally, check the Bongo Cat community forums on Reddit and Discord for user-created tutorials and fixes. A notable example is user UBongoFan 2024, who documented a DIY fix in December 2025, using VPN to bypass regional API blocks and successfully syncing 10 gigabytes of custom beatmaps. Looking ahead, the trend in data syncing is moving toward decentralized solutions. This shift is driven by growing privacy concerns and the reliability issues we've seen with traditional cloud services. Bongo Cat may adopt blockchain-based synchronization using technologies like Ethereum. This would provide tamper-proof data storage, ensuring your sync data remains secure and unaltered. Experts predict that AI-driven error prediction will become common in indie apps. This technology could help automatically detect and prevent sync issues before they occur, eliminating many of the problems we've discussed. So keep an eye out for these exciting updates as Bongo Cat evolves to provide more reliable and secure syncing options.